Okay, so the quickest way that I learned how to do tarot readings was grabbing a deck, using it every single day or week. Every card I would pull, I would read about it, and I would kind of take a mental note. Look up tarot cheat charts or cheat sheets. That will help you a lot. And also keep a little journal of those cheat sheets and what you interpret each card. Do yes or no questions with them too, using 3 cards. If 2 are upside down and 1 is up, that means it's like a maybe. When it's upside down, that means no. When it's up straight, that means yes. In easy terms. Also, pick a card readings on YouTube. You can also learn from that to see other people's interpretations on doing tarot cards. Okay, so I'm doing this as a follow-up video with tarot readings, but instead just all around about tarot. It's perfectly fine if you find secondhand tarot cards, or if you go to other shops that have them secondhand. Just make sure you cleanse and bless them and use them more so they can get used to you and you can get used to it. It's not good to ask questions about lottery, game of chances, death-related questions, sometimes some illness. It's just not good to do. When you do one, it's to be taken as advice. It's not set in stone. Things can happen and things can change. Now, this is just my opinion, but I do feel like it's okay if you're gifted your first tarot deck and then you can buy more. So